My budget versus me on payday. A tragedy in 5 acts. Act 1, the plan. It is the 24th. I have a spreadsheet. It has categories. It has colors. This month, groceries, rent, savings, 1 coffee out per week. I feel powerful. I am basically a financial institution. Act 2, the arrival. Payday. The number lands in the account, and something chemical happens. That is not money. That is possibility. Payday-me looks at the spreadsheet, laughs warmly, like it is a drawing by a child, and whispers, "We'll figure it out." Act 3, the spree. Treat yourself occurs. 12 times. A dinner, deserved. New headphones, the old ones crackle a little. A gym membership. This is technically an investment. An investment me high-fives payday-me. A plant. A second plant. A subscription to something involving snacks. Every purchase comes with a tiny lawyer explaining why this one is fine. Act 4, the discovery. Day 9. I open the banking app the way you open a door when you have heard a strange noise. Slowly, prepared for horror. The number has been through something. Payday-me is gone. Just gone. He does not answer calls. He left me the plants and the crackling silence. Act 5, the pasta era. Days 10 through 30. Pasta with sauce. Pasta without sauce. A festive Tuesday, rice. I walk past the gym I funded like a stranger. Here is the actual lesson, and it is one move. Payday-you cannot be trusted, so never let them see the full number. Automated. Savings jumps to another account the same day the salary lands, before possibility brain wakes up. What payday-you does not see, payday-you cannot spend. You are not undisciplined. You are 2 people, and one of them needs to be legally separated from the debit card. Subscribe before payday-you finds a reason not to. See you in the next scribble.